The hands-on part was what I was looking for, and here you definitely get that, and they definitely get you ready for the medical field.
Getting a job isn't easy. To get one, you need experience. But how do you get the experience without the job? Here's how. At MTTI, the people training here are getting real hands-on training, not just a lot of classroom theory. They're gaining the kind of experience businesses are looking for, the kind of experience that's going to prepare them for the real world and get them there fast.
One of my longest-term employees, his name's Hugo Figueroa, he started as an MTTI intern 20 years ago, and he's been a critical member of our team.
So what kind of career are you looking for? Automotive, HVAC refrigeration tech, building trades, electrician. How about computer service technician or network installer? Maybe you want to get into the medical field as a medical assistant or billing and coding specialist. Or maybe you just love working on motorcycles and ATVs. Are you ready to work hard for it? Are you ready for training that's so real? It's like the workplace? Come see how hands-on our training can be. At MTTI, you'll work with experienced professionals and in classes small enough to make you feel like you're part of a team, not just another student. And here's the best part. The shops and the labs are giving you the experience you need because the employers recommend the equipment you're working with and even have input in the training you receive. These are the same businesses and professionals who are doing the hiring.
I'm Michael Portia Noel. We brought Nolan in from MTTI. Utterly amazing young gentleman. Respectful, talented, and I see him going places. And he's just an amazing young gentleman.
Our goal is to get you into the job market fast with all the skills you need to give employers confidence that you're ready to do the job. And not only learn the nuts and bolts of your profession, you're going to learn what it takes to be a professional.
Sean was great as a career specialist in helping me with my resume. I mean, especially because I've worked pretty much one job my whole life, and now I'm changing careers. And at 41, it was terrifying. But everybody just did a really good job of making me feel that I was making the right decision.
Oh, and one more thing about MTTI students: they're dedicated. You work side by side with people who have the same goals as you and who are as committed to working hard and learning, whether they're right out of school or starting a new career later in life. MTTI students know the more you put in, the more you get out.
All of the tools are given to you, anything that you need, but you really need to put the work in as well. And I learned that. I haven't been in school for a very long time, and I chose to come to school, and it was a big transition for me. But it was an easy transition at the same time. I never felt like I was being stranded or left behind. If you're willing to put in the work, the teachers are willing to put in just as much to help you.
Bottom line, you'll get more training and be better prepared in less time, putting you ahead of the game when it's time to hit the job market.
And MTTI, we found, has been a great solution for us because we get a lot of mature students out of the program that really have a good head on their shoulders, know exactly what they want to do with their career, and are driven to make that happen.
At MTTI, you learn auto repair and maintenance in a fully equipped, real-life automotive service center. Get the hands-on skills to build your own career in the building and property trades industry. Learn how to install and service computer networks by building your own computer. Prepare yourself as a residential and commercial electrician, performing the same types of tasks that electricians do at actual work sites. Get in on the ground floor of the exciting and growing field of HVAC and refrigeration. Learn remotely in the classroom and on the job for a career in medical billing and coding, office administration. Train in a clinical setting for a job as a medical assistant or phlebotomist. Or get your hands on some real equipment and turn your love for motorsports into a career as a motorcycle or power equipment technician. Whatever career you choose, MTTI is with you all the way. We give you the support you need while you're training, and when you graduate, we don't just wish you good luck. We work together to find the right place for you. Now, there's no guarantee of employment, but as a team working towards a common goal, your chance of success is a lot greater.
With the hands-on experience I gained here at MTTI, I feel like I no longer have a job. It's a career. I'm able to support my family. I do it again in a heartbeat, 100%.
Listen, this is one of the most important decisions you'll ever make because this is about your future. Spend a day at MTTI. One day. See for yourself how smaller classes, more personal attention, and hands-on training can change that future. After all, life's more fun doing something you enjoy.